Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about what are Reddit awards. Let's get started. You probably have noticed some posts having icons looking like merit badges. These are called Reddit awards. Anyone on Reddit can give rewards to Redditors for their relevant and helpful posts. As a new user, you will have 0 coins to use for rewarding other Redditors. What you can do is strive to share relevant content that will soon get more views and be popular, like what you see under the Hot or Popular tabs on Reddit. These posts shared got the attention of tons of Redditors that they are willing to reward them with these Reddit awards. Awards are given to other Redditors for their contribution to the community. There are different types of awards that you might encounter on Reddit. You can see Platinum awards, which require you to have 1,800 coins. A Gold award requires you to have 500 coins, and a Silver award requires you to have 100 coins before you can reward a fellow Redditor. Community awards are unique awards by the subreddit's moderators for their community. These are exclusive awards that are only given to the members of their community. If you're a brand, you can reward people for the relevant posts that they share, which can be related to your brand's niche. What you need is to get coins. A Reddit coin is not free, so you have to exchange coins for money. If you're lucky, you can receive an award, such as a Silver award, that will look good on your post and your profile. If you receive a Gold award, not only people will see it on your posts, in addition, you'll be able to experience 1 week of using Reddit Premium. Also, you will have an additional 100 coins that you can give as a reward to some Redditor who deserve to receive Silver coins. If you receive a Platinum award, you'll get to experience 1 month of using Reddit Premium plus 700 coins to give and reward it to deserving Redditors. Reddit Awards encourages Redditors to share relevant content in the community. Awards look good in your profile, as it will be seen on your profile as rewarded with such coins. When people check out your profile, the awards will be seen here just below the karma points. You can see that this user received the Gold award and more awards in the past 30 days. If you click the Get Coins button on the upper right corner of your Reddit app, you will see a pop-up window showing you the available coins that you can get from Reddit. The minimum you can get is 500 coins, which costs $1.99. The next coins you will get cost higher, but with bonuses. So when you decide to buy coins, you can purchase them via PayPal or your Visa, MasterCard, Amex, or Discover cards. This shows you that you're purchasing coins for yourself using this username, and it will be transferred to this username indicated right here. If you like to get 500 coins now, just click the PayPal button. You'll be redirected to a page where you can check out and pay with PayPal. Just input your details and pay for the fee. Once you have coins, you can start rewarding some Redditors. If you find a post or comment helpful or relevant, just click on the Give Award text below the post or comment. Then you'll see a selection of awards that you can give to the Redditor. Then choose an award, and it can be given anonymously, or you have the option to let them know that it came from your username. Now that you know what are Reddit awards, we can now proceed to the next topic, all about AMAs. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.